You are going to love the 2017 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, cargo net, cargo tray, leather-wrapped steering wheel, carpeted floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.